Welcome. Today we are going to start with Pythagoras theorem. So what is Pythagoras theorem? So Pythagoras theorem states that square of the length of the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is equal to the sum of the square of the lengths of the other two sides. That means what? Square of the length of the hypotenuse. Here hypotenuse, the longest side is this one, AC. You can see in this diagram in triangle ABC. AC is the longest side, that is hypotenuse, and it should be applied only for right angle triangles. Pythagoras theorem is applied only for right angle triangle. Square of the length of the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is equal to the sum of the square of the lengths of the other two sides. So if I square these two sides and add, sum means add it, it will be equal to the square of this third side. This hypotenuse, square of this third hypotenuse. So that means AC square will be equal to AB square plus BC square. So if AC square is 5 square and AB square is 4 square plus BC square is 3 square. So 5 square is 25, 4 square 16 plus 9, that is 25. Both the side it will be equal to 25. So this is about Pythagoras theorem. Next is Pythagorean triplet. So in Pythagorean triplet means 3. So here we are going to take three numbers which satisfies the Pythagoras theorem. Like Pythagorean triplets, three natural numbers are such that the square of the largest number, here the square of the largest number. So if we square the largest number, in 5, 4, 3, the largest number is 5. If we square this, it will be equal to the sum of the squares of the other two numbers. So if we equal, it will be equal to the sum of the squares of the other two numbers. If we square this and if we add these two numbers, it will be equal. So that numbers are called, those three numbers are called as Pythagorean triplet. Like 3, 4, 5, 5, 12, 13, 6, 8, 10. These are the examples of Pythagorean triplets. So next is, by using these theorems, Pythagoras theorem and Pythagorean triplets, we are going to solve few sums from practice 10.3. Find the length of the hypotenuse of the following right angle triangles. So here in triangle ABC, the first sum, AB they have given as 6 cm, side AB they have given 6 cm, side BC it has been 8 cm, and angle B, this angle is a right angle triangle, that is 90 degree. So here we have to apply the Pythagoras theorem and find this AC. We have to find out AC. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square is equal to, what is AB square? Is 6 cm square plus BC square is 8 cm square. So AC square is equal to 6 into 6 36 plus 8 into 8 64. So AC square is equal to, if you add this both, it will be equal to 100 cm square. So AC is equal to square root of 100 is nothing but 10 cm. So AC, we got the answer as 10 cm. Similarly, we have to find one more, that is the second main, find the unknown side x of the following right angle triangles. So we have to find this unknown unknown side x. So here we have to see angle B is a right angle triangle. They have given angle B as a right angle triangle. So if angle B is a right angle triangle, opposite to that side, that is opposite to that angle, which side? That is AC, this is an hypotenuse. So hypotenuse, square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. That is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So AC square is 25 square is equal to AB square is 24 square plus BC square is x square. So for our convenience, we have taken this all LHS and RHS. So x square is equal to 25 square is 625 minus 24 square is 576. If we subtract, we will get 49, where x value is square root of 49 is nothing but 7 cm. So we got the value of x as 7 cm. So the next sum we are doing here is third main. In triangle ABC, angle C is a right angle triangle. If A and B are the legs and C is the hypotenuse, then find the length of the third side given. So here first one sum, Thus, according to this, we have to draw the diagram. So, according to this, in triangle ABC, angle C is a right angle triangle. A, E and B are the legs, okay, and C is the hypotenuse. Now we have to apply. So first sum they have given A is equal to 6 centimeter and B is equal to 8 centimeter. So we have to find C. So now according to Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. So what is AB square? AB square is C square is equal to what is AC square is A square plus BC square is B square. Then C square is equal to, in the place of A they have given as 6 square plus in the place of B 8, so 8 square. C square is equal to 6 into 6 is 36 plus 8 8s are 64. C square is equal to 36 plus 64 is equal to 100. So C is equal to square root of 100, that is C is equal to 10. So we got the answer, the value of C as 10. So now there is some assignments which you can find out. First main B, triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree, side AB is equal to 12 centimeter and side BC is equal to 5 centimeter. Next again B, so they have given this diagram. According to this triangle, you have to find the value of x. Third main B and C, you have to do A is equal to 40, C is equal to 41, B is equal to 3 and C is equal to 5. Fourth main, the sides of a rectangle are 12 centimeter and 5 centimeter. What is the length of the diagonal? Right? Thank you.